In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to craft a winning grant proposal. By the way, this is part 3. In case you missed part 1 and 2, go ahead and check out those videos here. Watch these videos and then come back to this video and watch this. On this channel, we are here to help each other grow, to become a better version of yourself. Typically, I share information on grants, on how to win grants for your small businesses or non-profits. So I'm talking about free money that you don't have to pay back. In case you have not seen my videos on grants, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, check out my previous videos, go on my channel, go on YouTube, type my name Miriam Adekoju on YouTube and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. And when I mention grants on my channel, I'm talking about free money that you don't have to pay back. Yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to craft a winning grant proposal. Of course, you guys know that I've won grants, multiple grants. Yes, so these are the tips that actually helped me win these grants. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video till the end. Do not touch the dial. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you. I see every single one of you and I appreciate you all from depth of my heart. God bless you. And if you are seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom. I'm based here in California. I'm a student. I'm an entrepreneur, a fashion designer. I recently launched 5 businesses. So go ahead and shop on my website, www.chastiseverything.com. We are not here to play. Yes, so shop on my website. It's a luxury brand for women. You can also shop for your wife, your girlfriend, your spouse, your chick, your colleague, your sister, your sister. So yes, without further ado, let's just talk about how to craft a winning grant proposal. By the way, this is part 3. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Who doesn't want to win grants? We're not here to sleep. We're not here to play. We're here to win and win real big. So without further ado, guys, come with me. Let's go. So just so you know, securing funding through grant proposal can be a game changer for individuals and organizations looking to turn their innovative ideas into a reality. However, writing a winning grant proposal requires careful planning, persuasive storytelling, and a compelling case for support. In today's video, I'll provide a step-by-step approach on how to craft a successful grant proposal that stands out to funders. If you follow all the tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this channel, you increase significantly your chances of obtaining necessary financial support to bring your projects to life and make a positive impact in the society, in your community, and the world. The first thing is to identify the right grant. How do you know if this grant is right for you? Come with me. Let's go. So the first step in writing a winning grant proposal is to identify the most suitable funding opportunity for your project. Now, the next thing you need to do is to research various funding sources, foundations, and organizations that align with your project's objectives and values. Now, look for opportunities that have funded similar projects in the past or have a specific interest in your field of work. Now, ensure that your proposal fits the eligibility criteria and objectives of funding opportunity to maximize your chances of success. Now, take the time to understand the funding organization's mission, vision, and values. Then tailor your proposal to address the specific interests and priorities of the granting entity, demonstrating your understanding of their goals and the potential alignment with your project. Now, this tailored approach will show that you are invested in the success of the partnership and not just seeking funds from any available source. Now, understand the guidelines. Before delving into the proposal writing process, make sure that you carefully review the grant guidelines and requirements. Now, pay close attention to the submission deadline, formatting, and any questions or sections that you need to address. Also, familiarize yourself with the evaluation criteria, as this will help you to structure your proposal effectively. Funders always provide valuable insights into what they're looking for in a proposal. When you follow their guidelines, it demonstrates your ability to follow instructions accurately. Ensure that you adhere to any word limits and provide all necessary attachments like the budget breakdowns, letter of support, and relevant documentations. And because some funders may have specific formats or templates to be used, so make sure that you also comply with their submission requirements. Guess what? Submitting a well-organized and complete proposal shows that you respect their time and you are committed to delivering the information that they need. Now, develop a compelling compelling narrative. A winning grants proposal tells a compelling story that resonates with the winner. So go ahead and craft an engaging narrative that captures the essence of your project. So start by introducing your organization and its mission, providing a brief background of your work, and then clearly explain the objectives, the activities, and anticipated outcomes of your proposed initiative. Because also use real life examples and data to illustrate the potential impacts that your project will have on the target beneficiaries, on the community at large. Also incorporate stories of individuals who have been positively affected by your past work. Also do well to showcase your organization's your track record in creating meaningful change. Also use a language that is clear, concise, precise throughout your proposal. Avoid jargons, terms that are not familiar to the reviewer. Be mindful. The reader's time is very important. You have to be mindful of the reader's time and aim to keep them engaged by presenting your ideas in a compelling and easy to understand manner. And you also clearly need to define your goals and objectives. So be specific and concise when you're outlining the project's goals and objectives. Clearly state what you aim to achieve and how you measure success. Use SMART, that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound criteria to set realistic targets for your project's outcomes. Also, break down your objectives into smaller, manageable tasks, illustrating a well thought out plan for project implementation. Also, show how each objective contributes to the overall success of the project. Additionally, and provide a timeline that outlines the key milestones and deliverables to give the funder a clear understanding of your project's progression, including measurable indicators and impact metrics. Demonstrate that you have carefully considered how to measure the success of your project. This not only helps funders evaluate your proposal, but it also provides a basis for you to monitor and evaluate your project throughout its implementation. Also demonstrate your capacity and expertise, because funders actually want projects that are likely to succeed and have a positive impact. So showcase your organization's expertise, experience, and past successes in similar initiatives. Also do well to highlight the skills and qualifications of your team members, underscoring their relevance to the project's objectives. Also provide information about any strategic partnerships that add value to your projects. Now, partnerships with other organizations or stakeholders can demonstrate your ability to collaborate and leverage additional resources for your project's success. Collaborations also show funders that your project has support from a broader network of stakeholders. Also share relevant awards, accolades, or certifications that demonstrate your organization's credibility and commitment to excellence. And be sure to include testimonials, endorsements from past beneficiaries, partners, or community members, and to add credibility to your proposal. So create a detailed budget. So you need a well-structured budget. So a well-structured budget is a critical component of a winning grants proposal, and this serves as a financial roadmap that outlines how the grants funds will be utilized to achieve the project's objective. So ensure that your budget is accurate, detailed, and aligns with the project's objectives and activities. Clearly explain how the funds will be allocated and justified. So provide detailed line items for all the relevant costs like the personnel, equipment, travel, and other direct expenses. Also demonstrate that you have considered cost efficiency and have allocated funds strategically to maximize impacts. Now, funders want to see that their investments will be used responsibly and effectively to achieve the desired outcome. So address potential challenges and risks. Acknowledge and address potential challenges and risks in your proposal, because being upfront about the potential obstacles demonstrates that you have thought critically about the project's implementation and you have a plan to overcome or mitigate challenges. Also show that you are prepared to handle unforeseen contingencies or circumstances that have considered alternative strategies, because this proactive approach will actually give funders the confidence that you can navigate any roadblocks that may arise during your project's execution. Also clearly communicate the steps that you will take to manage risks and explain how you will monitor the project's progress to identify and address any emerging issues, because this level of preparedness highlights your organization's resilience and adaptability, which are of course essential qualities in successfully implementing the projects. Because writing a winning grant proposal requires careful preparation, persuasive storytelling, and attention to detail. Because by following this step-by-step approach that I've outlined in this video and tailoring your proposal to the specific needs of the funder, you can increase significantly your chances of securing the funding needed to bring your project to life and make a positive impact in your society. Remember, grant writing is an iterative process, and seeking feedback and incorporating suggestions can further enhance the quality and effectiveness of your proposal. So this is an opportunity for you to showcase your passion and dedication to creating positive change, and you can inspire funders to join you in your journey towards a better and brighter future. Yes, so, and I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually craft a perfect grants proposal and stand out among other people. Like I said in my previous videos, I said it is easy for you to stand out because a lot of people write jargons, as their grants proposal. A lot of people do not know how to write grants proposal, and when you take the pains to initiate all of these pointers that I've shared in this video, of course you stand a higher chance of winning grants. And I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually write a winning grants proposal and win lots of grants. Do not forget to check out my previous videos to apply for grants that I've shared in my previous videos, as well as my subsequent videos. I have a lot of grants I'm going to be sharing this season, so make sure that you turn on notification bells so that I get notified each time I drop a new juicy video on this channel. I remain your girl Miriam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till I see you in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I'm super duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you.